Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve a very important topic of grade 10th, chapter number 1, real number. Very important topic, very important. Take my words, this you will definitely get 3 marks or a 4-mark question based upon this topic, whether it is your basic mathematics or a standard mathematics. You will definitely find this question in your paper. So question is, prove that under root 2 is an irrational numbers. Okay, this is the question. This question is from CBSE 2019. Okay, this question came in CBSE 2019. Question is, prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. So how you will do is, first you will suppose that under root 2 is equals to a over b. That means you are supposing under root 2 as a rational number. Okay, a over b is a rational number, you know, where a and b are co-prime integers. Okay, where a and b are co-prime integers, and we know that the condition for a rational number is that it should not be equals to 0. So denominator should not be equals to 0, because any number divided by 0, it becomes infinity, and or we can say not defined. Okay, where a and b are co-prime integers, where b is not equals to 0. We know that for a co-prime numbers, the common HCF is 1. Okay, so 1 is the number which divides a and b. Okay, so under root 2 is equals to a over b, where a and b are co-prime integers. So a is also integer, b is integer. Integer upon integer is a rational number. Okay, so I am supposing under root 2 to be a rational number here. Okay, I am supposing it to be a rational number, and I have to prove that it is an irrational number. Okay, so I have supposed under root 2 is equals to a over b, where a and b are co-prime integers and b is not equals to 0. Now squaring both sides, under root 2 square a over b whole square, it get cancelled. It becomes 2 is equals to a square over b square. Okay, now next step is you will multiply both sides by b. Only by b you will multiply the both sides. It becomes 2b a square over b square into b. This b and this b get cancelled. It becomes 2b is equals to a square upon b. Now in left hand side it is 2b. 2b means 2 multiply b. b is what? b is your integer. We have supposed b to be an integer. So integer multiply by 2 is also integer. So integer multiply by integer, answer will be integer. Okay. On right hand side you have a square upon b. A is your integer. Integer square is integer. Okay. And b is also integer. Integer upon integer. We know that integer upon integer is a rational number. It is a rational number. So on left hand side you have an integer. On right hand side you have a rational number. So integer cannot be equal to rational number. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Therefore our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. What we have supposed? We have supposed under root 2 to be a rational number. So our supposition is wrong. Under root 2 is irrational number. Okay? Fine.